Indonesia is home to 60 million K-12 students, one of the largest and most vibrant youth populations in the world. Indonesian students are schooled but not educated. With 70% scoring below global baselines in PISA and average TKA scores as low as 24, our 60 million strong youth is facing a massive learning crisis. We don't need more buildings. We need personalized AI to bridge the quality gap.
From there, GeniusGrowthAi was born.
GeniusGrowth.ai builds AI mentors that personalize education at scale. Students interact with GeniusGrowth.ai to gain personalized insights, enhancing their learning journey and unlocking their full potential through tailored educational experiences. To bridge Indonesia's learning crisis, we provide a personalized AI mentor and real-time teacher dashboards to ensure no student is left behind. Already deployed in real classrooms in 13 schools with over 3,400 students. We started this deployment about 3 months ago, fully bootstrapped and with very limited marketing spend. We will go next to gain more deep traction. In a $3.4 billion market, there are 558 million K-12 students across our key target regions. Mardianto Chaja, founder and CEO, a serial entrepreneur and IPO leader who combines an engineering background with an MBA to drive scalable innovation. John Santoso, PhD, brings 30-plus years of educational psychology expertise from LAUSD, the second largest school district in the US. Led by Matthew, Andrian, and Michael, our AI engineer team took us from concept to a live, scalable product in just 1 year. Thank you.
Every child